an encouraging word, guys. I'd like for you to think about this. And I saw this illustration, and some of you may have seen it before. You know, there's a cart going along, and the horses are pulling the cart. Everybody's pulling the cart. All of a sudden, everybody's in the cart. The cart gets stuck. Horses can't pull it anymore. Well, some of the people have to jump out of the cart and actually push the cart out of the mud to get it unstuck. That's what we're going to do for you. You're in the cart. We're going to push the cart to get you guys across the finish line. And I just want to encourage you that if you're riding in the cart and you feel like you're struggling, you're stuck, you can't get unstuck, you don't know what to do, we're going to jump out of the cart and we're going to push you so that you know what to do and you can get across the finish line. Come on and join us on this journey. It's going to be great, and you're going to get across the finish line. I'm glad to see you, and I'm glad you're going to be here with us. Let's go.